We're on the bed again. Everybody wants to know why I work in the bedroom here. Okay. Here is the bedroom. Here's the outside. Can you see it real good? This camera has a funny thing about the light. Okay. It's a cloudy day. My wife makes these windows. Okay. The bedroom. Okay. The table. Okay, I don't know if you can see it really good. Oh. One of the little dog pillow. Okay. It's also machine bottom lab table. What a mess. Tools. Okay. We're going to be showing you this here in a minute. Okay. Okay. What we're going to show you today is the new project. How's that for? Okay. What we got here is kind of what started the whole thing. I went on the web looking for harmony guitar, and I found Dave. He had a guitar just like this. He wanted to sell it to me. I didn't have the money. Anyway, the other day when I went and opened it up to take the tailpiece off, because that belongs on the Gibson. Okay, the neck had popped off. Now this has happened before. This is a very beautiful Harmony H-1310. Late model because it's got the bound F-holes. Oh, stand proud. I'm going to scrape those when we're all done. See how, can you see it? They're standing there like, golly, 30 seconds anyway. Okay? Obviously, the neck is capped. This is not the first time. Now can you see how badly fit that is in there? Can you? Can you see how badly fit that is? I re-glued it. I got the guitar, I traded the guitar for a frequent flyer ticket. And a friend of mine bought it, and the case is beautiful. Golly, look at the case. And I played it for a while, and it's super light. I love it. Any tap tone? Doesn't sound good, does it? Anyway, the guitar sounds really, really good. Okay. So when I took it apart the other day, this is like, pop. It was out. So I peeled this off, and underneath I found, I'm going to bring you over there. I found this. This is the truss rod. Now, see, it's bent. I bent it. These should be parallel. It's got to be easy to fix. I'll just hammer it right here. And this end, if you'll notice, has, can you see there? It has a little ground out motion. That fits on that little shoulder right here. This goes out. This goes in here. When I found it, it was bent. When I pulled it out, it was high here, like that. Not like this, but you could look at, and pop this thing right off. So, I'm going to put you back up on the clamp here. The fretboard is beautiful. I love this fretboard. It's wide. That's why I like the Ibanez, because it was wide. Now, I'm getting used to my Gibson again. I'm loving it. So the project is, I started to take this top off, because when we first started to correspond, Dave says, "Are you going to keep the peg head veneer?" I said, "Well, yes." I hadn't really thought about it. Yes, I had thought about it. I said, "Okay, I'm going to steam this off." Well, I got a good steamer, and I started to steam it off, but it slowed down on me really a lot. And I was reading an article about these guitars yesterday, and it said this is rosewood. I wouldn't have known that. I've always felt there was not enough contrast here with the harmony to the wood. So if I was I'm gonna give it another try, see if I can get that off. And I'm gonna shut you down for a minute, okay? Okay, and now, it was a pretty guitar. It's a pretty guitar. It plays, sounds great, really light. But just to show you that I don't do everything in the bedroom. Oh, big dog. And a little dog. Let's go take a little walk. Man, you stay. The chipyard. The new anvil I brought home the other day. It's a Vulcan. Oh. Here is maple. This is the rotten crap that we never did bring up in the house to burn out of a tree I want to give you a picture of. And there's some scraps of maple. See this here? Anyway, took one of those. I'm going to have to get just into the light here. It's going to be a little tricky. Alright, can we see? The shop. Saw. Drill press over the far corner. We got the belt sander. There it is here. We'll bring this out right here to show you. Here we have the makings of a one-piece neck for the harmony. Out of this maple tree that fell down about 1.5 years ago. Out in the street, it was a big scene. That's just a rough outline of my neck. I just did that for measurements. I'll be putting the thing on and tracing here pretty quick. It's only this wide so I can get the headstock of 4 inches out here. And it's only like 2 inches in here, and it's only 1.25 inches thick through here. And this is only like 3/4 of an inch or something like that. So hopefully it doesn't break. I got some figure. I don't know if you can see this figure here. Flashing down through here. And down here just looks like, you know, basic maple with that teeny birdie. And what I tried to do, it's interesting grain opening here, but I tried to take it so that, can you see here? The grain runs like that. Okay. And so the warping is going to be in this direction here, like that. So it shouldn't have any effect. If it was like that, we could have the neck warping, but this isn't, you know, it's going to tend to warp across the width instead of up and down here. That's hopefully my goal. Anyway, this is the neck for the harmony. Okay? Tulip tree. Gonna go here. We're gonna cut that one down here pretty quick. Can we hear the birds? The boat. We'll talk about that one day.